In this example, I am going to solve a challenging problem in ratio, proportion, and percentages. In the Singapore Mathematics curriculum, this problem fits into Primary 6 level. Lisa and Pauline brought money in the ratio of 3 to 7 for shopping. The amount of money each of them spent was in the ratio 2 to 5. Lisa spent half of her money. Pauline had $65 left. What was the total amount of money they brought along for shopping? First, we want to write down what the question says. Lisa and Pauline brought money in the ratio of 3 to 7, and that was before spending. And after spending, they had this ratio between them to be 2 to 5. And then we know that Lisa spent half of her money. So we look under Lisa. Before, she had 3 units representing the amount of money she had, and afterwards she had 2 units representing amount of money she had left. Now this doesn't look very much like half. So it would be very good if we can make the units half, like maybe, for example, it'll be good if 3 can be 12 and 2 can be 6. That would be an ideal number, right? 12 and 6. Before, we'll have 12 units, and then after that we have 6 units for Lisa. That would have been good. It's better than 3 and 2, because 3 and 2 doesn't even look like it's half. So we prefer it like 12 and 6. And because these are ratios, they are not actual numbers, it's not the actual dollar amount, and this is a ratio representation. So these are actually units representing the amount of money Lisa had before and after spending. We can actually multiply by 4 the ratio 3 to 7, so that when 3 multiplied by 4 we get 12, right? And the after spending ratio we can multiply by 3, so that 2 times 3 will give us 6, and so that we get this 12 and 6 to make them half, to make it half. So we multiply the ratio by 4, the before spending ratio. And because we multiply by 4 on Lisa's side, we have to also multiply by 4 on Pauline's side, so that the ratio balances. Then similarly, for the after spending ratio, we multiply by 3 on Lisa's side, we have to also multiply by 3 on Pauline's side. The final ratio, the new ratio, will be before will be 12 is to 28, and after will be 6 to 15. So now at least when we observe this Lisa's column, we get Lisa spent half of her money. Then the difference in units representing Pauline's money before and after spending. So Pauline, because I am interested in Pauline because the question gives me a $65 here. So I'm interested in Pauline, and $65 is what Pauline has left after she spent. So we have to take the difference between these two units, 28 and 15, under Pauline, which was what I did. You see, 28 minus 15 is equal to 13 units. And now you can imagine that 13 units is equivalent to $65. That is Pauline's leftover money. And 1 unit is equivalent to 65 divided by 13, giving us 5. So we are interested in 40 units because the question says, what was the total amount of money they brought along for shopping? Which means that I want to add this to 28 plus 12, and that would give me 40 before spending. which is why I got a 40 units here. And this is equivalent to 40 multiplied by 5 equals 200. And this, we can conclude, Lisa and Pauline brought a total of $200 for shopping. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.